How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. In this video, we're going to be going over the drone I got for Christmas, the Hubsan Zino. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, to start off this video, I want to give a special thanks to somebody that helped me with picking the right drone and for what I needed, for the purpose of the channel and, getting aerial, cinematic, photography views or whatever you want to call it. I reached out to a guy that I really liked his reviews on YouTube. I reached out to him on Instagram DM, and that's Captain Drone. He has some excellent videos on YouTube. If you're in the market for a drone, whether it's for, videography, or if you just want to go out with your kids and have a good time on the weekend and maybe fly some drone or vacation shots, whatever the need is, go check out his channel. That's Captain Drone. His reviews were excellent. It got me right where I needed to be. I contacted him on Instagram. He recommended 3 drones, and actually this was the one I was looking at was one of them already. So kind of verified everything for me. And I'm coming into this, I know nothing about drones. This flight that I did in the video that I'm going to be showing is actually my first time ever driving or flying a drone. So thank you so much again, Captain Drone. I can't say that enough. He really helped me out, and I hope his videos and insight will help you guys out too. Just to go over upcoming events and videos we've got planned. It is kind of the off season for car shows and whatnot, so I don't really have any events, but I am working on an exhaust review video. I've got a montage kind of trailer video I'm going to build for the channel. We've also got a huge mod on the way that I've ordered from Houston Performance Solutions. So be sure to smash that like and below so you don't miss any of that upcoming content, and it helps support my channel, of course. So as I mentioned, the drone I went with was the Hubsan Zino. It's got a 4K at 30 FPS. It'll also go down to 1080p, but it'll allow you to do 60 frames per second. Maybe you've got some slow motion stuff you want to handle and so forth. So the video off this thing was excellent. That stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. So no matter, if you're making turns with the drone or whatnot, that video, as you can see by the way my hand is going to stay with it. Regardless if the drone is banking up to a point, your camera is going to stay at the same point because that 3-axis gimbal, which helps tremendously with, videography and stuff like that. So those 2 reasons right there are what led me to this drone. One of the downsides, and Captain Drone talks about this in his videos, is there aren't any sensors on this. As you can see it with the battery off, we've simply just got a drone here with a battery channel. There's no optical sensor, there's no sonic sensor. So really the only thing that's keeping this in the same spot are the GPS computer in it and the barometer. There are some more expensive options like DJI and stuff out there that have an optical flow sensor, object avoidance, and sonic sensors. So that allows it to stay, more stable in one place. I didn't really have an issue with this. I mean, it did kind of maybe move like this, wherever I had it. Not really toilet bowling, but just kind of, wandering a little bit. So honestly, what they've done with this and all the fun computer stuff you get with it, as far as the GPS follow me, the active track follow me, the orbiting, it's really cool. I mean, for the amount of money that this thing cost, I think they went down from $400 to $280 for this drone. So I mean, for $280 for a first drone, that's an excellent price to get 4K 30 FPS video. The flight time of this, just so y'all know, is well, according to his videos and other videos, it seems like it's somewhere between 20 and 25 minutes, depending on how hard you are on the motor and so forth, or how bad the winds are, I guess. You have a distance, I think they advertised something like 2,000 meters or something like that, but according to the reviews I saw, and go out, like I said, and check them out yourself, but the reviews I saw, they go about 800 meters or so before you're going to lose the first person view of the drone. It's still flying, it's still navigating, you just don't have first person view, so you don't know where it's going. So I mean, for my needs and so forth, that's fine. 800 meters is a long freaking way. As far as, I guess, speed and so forth, I think I saw it get up to about 20 miles per hour. I was flying in 16.8 mile per hour winds, so that of course is affecting, you know, trying to judge your miles per hour or whatnot. But going diagonal or whatnot to the wind, I did see it get up a little bit over 20. It performed pretty good. Like I said, my first flight ever with the drone, 16.8 mile per hour winds, and all this video I took was basically done with that. So I think for $280, this is a steal. It does have some little quirks and stuff like that in the software you'll find, but it does a lot of the stuff that DJI drones do for over $1,000. So bang for the buck, here you go, Hubsan Zino. And as I get better with this, and if I find myself using it more than I thought I would, maybe I'll upgrade to a DJI someday, but this is definitely a great place to start and gets me my needs done. So let's go ahead and cut to the footage and see what I was able to capture out of it. video, please be sure, as I mentioned before, to hit that like and subscribe below. That helps my videos to grow and help support my channel, and also so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Hope everyone's having a great new year, an excellent week, and I'll catch you all in the next video.